Chesley, looking at our week, which includes some changes tomorrow. That's why you got that weather impact alert.
That's absolutely right. We're expecting some rain to come in later on tonight that will last right on through Tuesday morning. That rain could be heavy at times, which is why we're going to go ahead and alert at least the first half of the day, right? Very early morning commute could have rain heavy at times, and then it pushes out as we head into the afternoon. Should get some sunshine in here before it sets on Tuesday. That'll set us up for a dry Wednesday, Thursday, and then another round comes back to us as we head into Friday and into Saturday. That's the way it looks right now. That will be adjusted, though, as we head through the week. You're looking at clouds for the most part this morning, and we'll see that for much of the day today, even though we're seeing a few breaks in those clouds right now. Eventually, clouds will come back to us and overtake us. Over here toward the east is where we've been seeing the fog getting a little bit better now, just above a half an inch visibility. You can see where we have 10 miles visibility, looking good. And I said an inch, right? Just below a mile visibility is what I meant to say there. But everywhere else looks pretty good. So we've been watching that, all right? So the fog is starting to clear. It's looking a little bit better here over toward the Athens area. We've been watching this camera right here where we really couldn't even see the street earlier. Now it's getting a little bit better, so that may be lifting. You're looking at temperatures down into the 30s for the most part, even some low 30s out there, like places like Dalton and Canton. You're right at the freezing mark there in Carrollton, 37 degrees in Atlanta and over toward Lawrenceville. Some 40s over here to the east and down to the south, 41 degrees right now in Thomaston. We're expecting those temperatures to rise to around the 50-degree mark. As you can see, will be some temperatures in the 40s today, so it will be a cool afternoon for us. Despite the fact that we won't see the rain, we will have the clouds in place, so it's going to be that dreary-looking day, and you'll feel the coolness of the atmosphere. Where is this rain coming from? Well, it'll be an area of low pressure down in the Gulf that's going to make its way up toward the northeast. That's going to spread the rainfall our way. Notice the front that brought the rain yesterday is down to the south of us. That area of low pressure should ride along this, and that will spread that moisture our way. I think the heaviest of which right now looks to be just to the south of the city, but you can see how that moisture is spread our way up to about an inch of rainfall, certainly possible. All of North Georgia. Once you get down toward the central area, right now the models are saying that's where we could see the heaviest. So you could get some pockets of up to 2 inches down to the south. But if that area of low pressure shifts a little bit further to the north, then the heavy rainfall could shift a little further to the north as well. Something we're watching for. Very widespread throughout our area, so you're not going to dodge this. 80% chance for that rain to be around. Mainly during the morning on Tuesday. Once we get to the afternoon, it begins to clear out, and we'll hold on to the sunshine for Wednesday and Thursday as well. Here's how it plays out. Forecast track model. You can follow along with me with the time right there at the top of the screen, so that by 12:30 this afternoon, nothing but clouds in place. Here comes the rain. After the sun sets is when we'll start to see that begin to push in. Our far northwestern counties first, our western counties, and then eventually it'll make its way over toward the metro area. Look at all that yellow in there, all that orange in there. That indicates some pockets of heavy rain that will be around at times. Again, through our morning commute. Here we are by 6 a.m., getting into the heart of it now. You got the heavy rain that's with us. Unless the system speeds up, this is what we're going to see by tomorrow morning. By the time we get to mid-morning and early afternoon, the rain gets out of the way. Clouds will gradually start to break down, so we'll get some sunshine in here before it sets on Tuesday. We're expecting to see full sunshine with only a few clouds around by Wednesday, and so that'll be a better looking day by the middle of the week. Temperatures will remain below average, though. 51 degrees for your high on Wednesday. Thursday up to 53. Look at this, Friday, and ahead of that next system is going to come in. Temperatures down to around 48 degrees. That's going to be a cold rain for us, especially in the evening going into Saturday. Then by Sunday, back to the sunshine with temperatures starting to warm up. Let's go over to Doug now with a check on the roads.